Hi guys, I'm Steve and this is Moonshine Metalworks. So Laura Kampf got a new workshop and asked a few of us to come along and help out. Each one of us worked on a different project and made a video for the project that we worked on, and this is mine. Laura asked me if I'd be able to help out and make a barbecue, and maybe something to do with blacksmithing, so that's what I did. So one of the great things about a group of people like this is the fact that there's lots of skills to share. These guys had never picked up a welder before, and Habu happens to be an amazing welder. So considering how much welding there was to do on my project, it seemed like the perfect opportunity to give these guys a go.
So now it's melting through.
Yeah.
That's perfect.
That tight.
Yeah, this is perfect, sir.
So not only was Habu a great teacher, but these guys picked it up super quick. You can hear, even Laura's impressed.
Aber das ist die Maschine.
So the mesh that Laura gave me for the grill top wasn't exactly the right size. I had to weld a little bit of flat bar onto each end just to extend it long enough that when we then welded on the angle iron, it sat nicely flush with the barbecue top. The great thing about working with a group like this is when you really need to get stuff done, help's never far away. So if you're trying to get things nice and hot, you need to make sure you've got plenty of air going in. That's why you've seen us working on the pipe work and on the blast plate with all the holes drilled into it. What that does is allows us to force air directly into where the combustion is actually happening. It means we can increase the rate of combustion. So if we're doing a barbecue, we can make a nice big fire, get that charcoal going and then spread it around and cook on that. Or if we're using it as a forge, we can increase the rate of combustion, getting the metal to the point where it's really nice and malleable. So now we've got that air going where we want it to go, we also need to be able to control how much of it's going in. You blast too much air in, you're just going to burn the fire out and melt everything you put into it. If not enough air going in, you're never actually going to get up to a good temperature. So to do that, I'm just making a really basic air gate. It's just 2 bits of plywood with holes in and another piece that slides in between, restricting the amount of air that can actually pass through it. And that's it. We're ready to have a barbecue.
It's a great barbecue, but where's the skewers?
Yeah.
God damn it, Steve!
What? Like I wasn't going to use it?
There we go.
That's better.
I just want to say a quick thank you to Laura and everyone that was involved with making the 10 Makers series happen. It was an absolute honour to be invited along, and it's been a pleasure watching all the videos come out. And of course, thank you to everyone that's watched along. Without you guys, this simply wouldn't have happened. So again, thank you so much. And yeah, I just look forward to seeing what happens next.